The most common texture in Western music is homophonic texture, which is made up of a melody and an accompaniment. The accompaniment provides rhythmic and harmonic support for the melody. Let's listen to the Songs Without Words, Opus 30 by Mendelssohn. The rhythmic and harmonic supporting functions may be combined in the same material, or separated parts may be assigned to each function. As an example of rhythmic and harmonic support, which are combined together in one piece, we can name the piece by Schumann named Ich grühle Nacht. Another example of homophonic texture is Symphony No. 40 by Mozart in G minor, that we can see the separated harmonic support in this piece. Homorythmic texture is a texture with a similar rhythmic material in all parts. This texture is often referred to a hymn style, chordal homophony, or chordal texture, depending on the presence or absence of the melodic material. And we can see this example on this song or music named Freely, Freely by Onus.